In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promo code on Stripe using the best method available in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by heading over to stripe.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and click on the sign in button. If you're not already logged into your Stripe account, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and do that now and then hit sign in. After successfully signing in, you'll land on the Stripe dashboard homepage. From here, navigate to the product catalog option on the left hand side menu. Go ahead and click on it. This will direct you to a page where you can manage your products and services. In this same menu, you're going to find a section labeled coupons. Click on coupons to proceed. This is where you'll create and manage your promotional codes. Now, click on the create coupon button. This will open up a new window with fields that you'll need to fill out. The first thing you need to do here is to type in a name for your coupon. Choose a name that not only makes sense for your promotion, but is also easily identifiable by both your team and your customers. Next, you need to select a type. Stripe allows you to determine whether this will be a percentage off discount, a fixed amount, or something else. Choose the type that fits your promotional needs. Moving on, you'll set the duration. Here you have several options. You can make the coupon valid for a single use, apply it over a specific number of months, or keep it going indefinitely. After determining the duration, it's important to set any redemption limits. This field lets you control how many times the coupon can be used and whether or not it can be applied by a single customer more than once. Be sure to set these limits in line with your promotional goals. Lastly, double check all your details to make sure everything is correctly set up. Once you're confident everything looks good, go ahead and click the create coupon button at the bottom of the screen, and there you have it. You've successfully created a promo code on Stripe. This method makes it easy to provide discounts and incentives to your customers, and now you're fully equipped to start using promo codes to boost your business. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.